Hello again. I'm Michael Keer of Product Realization Group, and welcome back to the series on building better products that make you more profit. This week, I'm going to talk about how formally understanding and incorporating lessons learned from early prototype builds can speed your product's time to market and extend its life once there. There's a great temptation to think that having your first prototype that works in the lab means you have a fully functioning product, and many companies try to take this prototype straight into volume manufacturing. There are many risks associated with this, since there have not been enough iterations in the design and the testing to know if you have learned enough about potential failures, whether it is fit for purpose, or even if people will buy it. I recommend using an agile hardware development methodology where you build a rapid prototype, test it fully, and even test it with customers to learn about improvements or about failures before starting the next cycle of development. This can reduce your risk of escalating costs, improve the quality, and even the functionality, and set your product up for market success. Join us next week to learn how understanding your supply chain as you design your product can help you avoid costly delays and costly reworks as you start to manufacture it in volume. And as always, you can find more information about PRG services which can help you to do this on our website.